here. All right, I'm just waiting on the Multi-X to match up, but I am getting into a, oh, okay, great. We already hit our target. Awesome. I was starting to talk to you and we already hit our target on 2 micros. Okay, let's see here. Let's get back in this thing. Let me get back in this thing. Let me move this sucker down and get away from there. Yowzer. Okay, that was a little quick. Let's see here. Let me get this text out of your way. All right, so now let's clean that up. Boy, that went, I mean, I had it for 100 ticks down. How the heck did it hit that so fast? Holy smokes. All right, so let's look at this thing here. So it is, what time is it? It's 8:24 a.m. I have no idea if we're having news. But why are we in this trade? Let me walk you through here, and then I'll show you all our stuff. So first things first, I'm just trading micros. It's a Friday. You know what I mean? Like, oh wait, I wanted to be in 2 micros. It's a Friday. I'm not looking for, you know, a gajillion dollars here. There we go. So we have a red background. Bears are in control. I have the Maverick Bear Bull indicator on here. Bears are in control, okay? We have, let me stretch this out so you guys can see here, and then I'll show up the other indicators. We have hot pink candles. The Maverick AI Pro colors your candles to the data, not to direction. And by the way, we have an A+ setup now on gold. You can see it right here, A+ setup. So what it's, instead of having red and green candles, are you going up or are you going down? And it just shows you price and direction. Wouldn't you like to know what's going on underneath the hood? Like, look at this. Okay, you went from green, some buyers stepped in, but then you had all this reversal candles, which is gray, red, your second strongest downside candle, and now hot pink. Look at this, folks. We're in 2 micros, and we hit our first profit target, which was 100 ticks in like no time. I mean, how fast was that? I couldn't even move my profit target. This is a ATM strategy. It's 20 tick stop loss and 100 tick take profit. You saw that first trade. That was insane. So bears are in control. Hot pink candles, which is your strongest downside data candle. All right. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. Now, on top of that, price is below this blue line, the Maverick guide. When price is below the blue line, we like to go short. Okay. Okay. Look at this. Beautiful. Oh my God, we've been under it for a while. When price is above the Maverick guide, we like to go long. Short when you're below it, long when you're above it. Okay. So long when you're above it, short when you're below it, long when you're above it. And boy, we've been below it for a while here. Probably going to get some retracement up to here. I wouldn't be surprised. We're trading a funded account here. And yeah, crazy. Maverick trender has been pegged to the top. When this line is pegged to the top and it can't go any further, we call these flat tops. This is massive strength and momentum to the downside right here. So we just lost it because we are retracing back up to the Maverick guide, it looks like. So I'm just sitting on my hands. But that is what the Maverick trender is. This is free for any lifetime member, and it'll give you a trend label. Of course, again, you're getting a little retracement here, so you're going to lose your trender. This is not like a RSI where it just slowly comes up and it fakes you out and then it goes back up. And this is either at the top or this is at the bottom. Bottom means nothing. Top means everything. And when you have a red line, that means bearish. When you have green, this is middle of the night action, but you can see last time you had green right here, push straight up, okay? Tons of down confidence arrows, I should say, point out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 down confidence arrows screaming at me to get back in. Oh, Maverick Trender just pegged right back to the top. We like seeing that. Maverick Trender pegged to the top, downtrend label. And then we have our Maverick Multi-X. Sorry, I'm trying to get all this in the recorded screen. I have a few screens going up here, guys. But then we have the Maverick Multi-X down here. Instead of having 6 charts on your screen, instead of having 6 monitors on your desktop, I hope you're not doing that, why not have the Maverick Multi-X? 5 traders, think of T1 through T5, they're algorithms, but think of these guys as T1 through T5, and they all have a completely different style. And they're trading across 6 time frames. So again, imagine being in the room with 5 other traders who all have completely different styles, and they're all in agreement that on the 1 minute, they're all completely bearish. And on the 2 minute, they're all completely bearish. And on the 3 minute, they're all completely bearish. You understand? And you can set these time frames for whatever you want. You can actually add a 7th time frame if you want. That's a little bit much for me, but we do give you the option. All right, so bears are in control, red background. We're below, prices below the Maverick guide, this blue line, hot pink candles. If you see pink, it will most likely sink, okay? I mean, this was a huge move. We got in, well, actually we got in the first one that whacked my 100 tick stop, take profit in record time. That was crazy. Just started talking to y'all and we hit our take profit, and you just saw it just push straight down. It's just unbelievable. Maverick Trender pegged to the top again. Beautiful. You can see the reaction, right? I mean, look at, like, when the Maverick Trender comes up, you can see we get right back into green and push down. It's pretty stinking cool, right? This is a pretty this support area is pretty powerful. So we're gonna have to break through this support area right here. Maverick Trender completely pegged to the top, downtrend label. All 5 traders are voting mostly bearish across 6 time frames. And then over here is the Maverick radar. And we're gonna release this for free to anybody who is a lifetime member. Let me get this over so you guys can see this while I talk. To anybody that's a lifetime member of the Maverick AI Pro bundle by Sunday night. So I think it's like midnight on Sunday night, or that would be midnight on Monday morning, right? Because it's midnight. And look, Maverick Trender pegged to the top. All 5 traders voting bearish across most of the time frames. Look at, guys, we're in 2 micros here. This is like micros. It's crazy. What this radar is doing, and you can set this for up to 3 symbols so that you can, look at other symbols and go back to the video I posted yesterday. Just a banger of a day yesterday. But I have this set for gold, and look, it's all these things I just showed you. Bears are in control, red background, hot pink candles, prices below the Maverick guide. Maverick Trender is firing. All 5 traders voting across the majority of your time frames bearish. It's checking all these boxes, and it's giving you an A+ grade to the downside. A+ grade to the downside. So immediately, and this is going to be first available on TradingView, and then we're going to get crack-a-lacking on it on working on it on NinjaTrader. But it takes a good amount of processing power, and I got to make sure everybody's computer can handle it, because on TradingView, that thing works off the cloud, and you hardly see any issues with TradingView. With NinjaTrader, that's working off your computer. So just want to make sure everybody has a good experience with it before we release it. But anybody that is a member of the Maverick AI Pro bundle, lifetime member, which just means you made the one-time payment, you will get the Maverick radar for free. And again, go back to my trades yesterday. We had 1 break even and we had 2 profitable trades, and the Maverick radar was clutch. It was so awesome. Okay, cool. So we're just going to keep watching this trade, and hopefully we can just break this level right here. Hot pink candles. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. A red background, bears are in control. All 5 traders are voting mostly bearish across multiple time frames. Okay, prices below the blue line, which is our Maverick guide. All right, we lost our Maverick trender because it's regressing a little bit. You know, it's trying to break this level right here. This is a strong level for gold to break, and hopefully we can break it. Still showing an A+ setup on gold. So we'll just keep watching this thing. I'll leave my screen up, but this is how you stress-free trade. You stack probability. Bears are in control. Hot pink candles, tons of down confidence arrows. Prices below the blue line, the Maverick guide. Maverick trender has been firing like most of this way. And you guys saw I was up, what, 300 and something bucks on 2 micros. Maverick Multi-X, all 5 traders mostly voting bearish across 6 time frames. And then, you know, all these things right here are checking off the box. And then you have an A+ grade to the downside, okay? So you're getting into the last minute of the 5-minute turn. As you guys know, I sit on my hands the last minute and the first minute of any 5-minute turn, because this is where stop losses get grabbed. This is where everybody gets shaken out. And price likes to move in the opposite direction, the first minute and the last minute of the 5-minute turn. Even though I'm on a 1-minute chart, I still don't touch I don't touch anything. First minute, last minute of a 5. I don't like to get in. Although yesterday we actually did break that rule. I actually did get in, I think, within the first minute of a 5-minute turn, because we had an A+ signal right here. So, and you can see how we lose the A+ signal and then it comes back. We lose it and it comes back. So, and look, see how we're just popping up, and let's see where this one goes. But hey, listen, if you want clear vision on your charts, if you want literally the indicators I wish I had when I first started, we would love to help you crush it in 2026. Again, not financial advice. Do your own research. Come read what our traders are saying. Just so many of you guys are crushing it. Trini, getting your payout. Shane, you passed an eval. That was awesome to get that email. Chuck caught a crazy good runner yesterday, it seemed like. Looking at his chart, that was awesome. Nice job, Chuck. David, woo, $2,800 banger yesterday. Marcel passed his 50K evaluation, so now he's going to be a funded trader. So just like awesome stuff here, and results that you guys are getting, just crushing it. It's just awesome to see. So if you want clear vision on your charts, if you want to have that edge maybe you've been looking for, come check us out. MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com.